Now we're going to talk about holds. Occasionally, you may find that you are unable to place an order with any shop. When this occurs, the order must be placed on hold, which means it will be separated into a different queue for follow-up by another team member in our R&R department. To place an order on hold, you will click on the Notes Hold tab. Next, click on the Hold Reason drop-down arrow. Then you will highlight the appropriate reason code from the menu, and finally, click Select. Be mindful when placing orders on hold that we are using the correct hold reason, as many of the codes send emails to senders, and we want to make sure that we are sending them the correct information. In the Notes field, enter a brief explanation of why the order is being placed on hold. Be concise but clear so that R&R will know exactly what further action needs to be taken. Make sure to click the Update button and the order will be moved into the hold queue. Let's talk about Hold Reason 36, which should only be used in cases where there are no shops at all in that area. For example, the order is for an address in the middle of the ocean. Obviously, unless we are delivering by dolphin, we cannot fulfill this order, which kinda stinks for the mermaids, but totally works for our florist. This reason should never be used for any other reason, such as it's too late for delivery today, there is no answer, they wanted more money, or they didn't have the product. This should only be used if there is no building, no address, no nothing. You also need to get permission from a senior team member to use this code. Once the senior team member approves it, put their name in the notes. Here's an example of a town that we would put on hold for Hold Reason 36. This is a small town in Alaska named Nikiski, which is 37 miles from the nearest town, and the only way to get there is by dog sled or airplane. You can always refer to your reason codes located in your training companion guide. In the next section, we're going to talk about what to do when you get a call from a 24-hour team member. Let's talk about